Hello, in this video we will learn how you can communicate between two PLCs, and both of them I have ControlLogix. On the left side I have ControlLogix L73 processor which is on different rack, and on the right side I have ControlLogix L63 on different rack. So if you look over here, this processor is at slot number 0, and on the other one this one is at slot number 1. So we're going to communicate, we're going to read the data from L63 processor into L73. So let's create this. It's going to be ControlLogix L63 underscore data. And it's right now double integer. So let's put 5 elements in it. So all 5 of them are double integers now. On the other hand, let's download this first because that's all I need from this one. And on the other hand, I'm going to read this data via message instruction. So let's put this processor in run mode. Over here, let's create message instruction, and I'm going to create micrologix L63 underscore, or read should be good. Okay, so new tag, data type is message, hit OK. Now I want to trigger this with the trigger tag I put for the boolean as a data type, and I want this to be reset every single time. It will be done. Now inside this message instruction I need to specify the location. So first thing, let's read the data table. What I want to read this tag. So I copy this and paste it in here, and where I want to put the data that I'm reading from here, all these 5. So I want to read all 5 elements, and I want to put this into L63 read data. Let's create a new tag. It's a dint and dimension will be 5. We will create an array of 5. Create. Now go to communication side. Now here there is a 2 way to set up the communication. Let's go the hard way now first. So first you need to specify the current rack's backplane. So 1 means current rack's backplane, comma. Then you specify which location your Ethernet card in that rack. So mine is location number 1. Then comma. As you see, as soon as I put 1, it says EN2T, which is already set up here, but we still will go that way. Then comma, to specify the port of the Ethernet from this Ethernet card, which is going and connected to other Ethernet devices. Then comma, you specify the Ethernet path, this Ethernet IP address of this PLC. So which is 192.168.1.10. Now this is just you give the IP address of the other Ethernet card. Now you specify a comma, you want to go to back plane, comma, now the processor where this tag is. So my processor is slot number 1 in here, you can see. So I'm going to specify here 1. This is the whole path. You hit apply, okay. That's all we have to do. Let's go download. Now let's hit download. Okay, it's finalizing download now. And put processor in run mode. Now let's go to the control tags where we put this read data right here. Go to monitor tags. Let's monitor these tags over here. So if I put on this side 55, you can see 55 came here right away. If I put here 155 on number 4th position, 155 came over here. So this is the one way to specify. Let's go offline here to specify the path over here. Now let's set up the path down in the tree. So I have my Ethernet card, which is EN2T. You right click new module and you will add the Ethernet card of this. So I will put 1756-ENBT, which is my ENBT card. You hit create. It will ask what you want to give the name. I will put L63_ENBT. And I will specify the IP address, which is right here, which is 192.168.1.10. Now I need to make sure revision and chassis size. So my chassis size is A4, and revision of this you can check from RS links. This is where it is. So I right click on it, go to property, and my revision of this Ethernet card is 6.006. So I will do a revision number 6, and this will be 6. Make sure this is chassis 4. Hit OK. Yes. You make sure this will be 4 here. Revision has been changed. IP address is right here. Slot number is at 0 because number 1 I have this processor. You hit OK. Now you have Ethernet card of this PLC L63. Now what you're gonna do on this ENBT, you will add your processor. So my processor is 1756-L63. Right here, hit create. Revision is 20. Mine is L63. Slot is 1. Hit OK. That's it. So now if you check over here, the path we put is just showing only L63, which we just specify the location. You can browse it, select your processor, hit OK, L63. That's all it's the same thing. So let's download it. Hit download. Put your processor in run mode. And now let's check this data that we were reading from here. So instead of 55, I'll put 0. You can see it becomes 0 right away. Now 155, if I'll try to make this 0 here, it will not work because every single time it's trying to pull this number from here to here. So if I put 0 here, it will become 0 right away. I put here 11, enter, 11 will come here. 22, enter, 22 will come here. Same thing, you can do it from here as well. You can read any data from other PLC, vice versa. So that way you can communicate between two ControlLogix PLCs. Thank you.